saw something run. Butterfly Trail, wetlands, that way. That way. Oh, look, there's one right there. Right there. See it?
There's one up there. I'm not sure what's
yeah.
The little one.
We can go that way and then come back this way and go that way. I don't want to miss anything. This is so peaceful. We need peace right now. We've gone through a lot, so we need peace. Look at this cactus. I have those at the house. I still have some. Yeah, they kind of run like a vine almost. What? Oh, it's on the. Oh, look, there's one right there. See it?
There's a bird.
They're up there. Oh no, that's a dove.
There's one over there.
Oh, that's a
dove.
That's a dove. Oh look, that big one. Oh my gosh.
Such a lucky.
There's a lot of doves in here. I hope there's no snakes. I hope there's no snakes on these trees on top of us.
Is that them? Here that we're here?
I don't know.
That's a touch of luck.
Well, there's one over there.
That's a big one.
Lizard. There's a lot of oranges. They eat oranges.
The size of that guy.
What is this furry thingy? Yeah, these cactus. How funny. They look nice in here.
Oh, look at it in there. Look at that one.
Oh yeah. I had it on the side of the fence and it kind of grew kind of in the fence. I had to pull it out because it was growing into Joe's side of the house. Side. Look how tall they get. They can just keep going.
Wow, look at that one.
Wow.
It's everywhere.
Look at that tree. I hear hummingbirds. Oh, there they are.
Oh, yeah.
Right there.
Wow. Oh.
They like to climb trees.
You didn't know he was there, you would not see him.
They camouflage really well. So we're supposed to be getting more birds in our backyard.
You start putting down
What a pretty
lot.
trail.
I know. You start putting down more oranges. Or whatever citrus we can get.
It's about they're out of season. That's a white feather. Cute, small. Oh my gosh, that one was on the road.
Goodness. They're so quiet. It's really hard to see.